Ashley with Jabora Realty team at Blair Realty Group.
And I'm Dustin Orlando with First Rate Inspections.
So this one, I know it's tough, but because buyers depend so much on a home inspection report, they would like an inspector to provide a repair estimate. Are inspectors allowed to do that?
So in short, the answer is no. But partnering with strategic companies like First Rate Inspections, we then take advantage of strategic partnerships like Repair Pricer, who takes the summary report of the inspection, runs it through AI and physical quoting, and then within 24 hours, you're given a bid on all of the materials in the home from the inspection report that need to be fixed.
And it's from local people that can?
Correct. All of the AI technology targets the specific zip code that is given off of the home inspection. So whenever that home inspection is searching AI, whenever that repair pricer is searching AI, it's not pulling quotes from a plumber 3 counties away, it's pulling quotes from your plumber 2 doors down.
Okay, and is this different than a punch list?
Very different, yes.
What is a punch list?
So a punch list basically says, here's a list of items, and historically, we know that water heaters cost $800 to purchase, and a plumber is going to cost $400 to put it in. Mm-hmm. With our system, Repair Pricer goes out and says, you currently have a 50-gallon Rheem gas-operated water heater. To get a like-for-like replacement from Joe the plumber, who's right down the street, it's going to cost you $1,397. So it's very strategic in the way that it prices and quotes things.
Okay. No, I like that way better than a punch list. That's very specific and gives the buyer an idea of who they can call, and everything's right there. Easy peasy.
Correct.